Welcome guys, this is Vijay and let's begin programming in Java. Before that, I'm gonna show you an IDE. IDE stands for Integrated Development Environment. It is intended to make our life easier by providing us very good services that comes handy while we begin working, but it's not best choice on the first hand. But for this time I'll be using NetBeans IDE 7.0.1. You may have known it, you may not have known it, but I'll show you a quick way to get started. Install the NetBeans from after you download. You'll get this interference. On the left hand side you have projects. That means you have collection of files and folders for where you store your Java files. In the below you have a navigator that sorts out your properties and methods. That's not important, quite important now. On the right hand side a big white screen is there. You may change the color, but it's the place where you can edit your code. You can write new, edit or something, do many things on your code. I have already got a code, and this will be our code for main first program. And below that we have output window. The main feature of this IDE is that if you run Java outside of our IDE, you have to use command prompt and Java compiler, and you have to use Java interpreter to run your program each and every time you code. You go to command prompt, you start the compiler, interpreter, and run that. But in this case we can just write the code, press this run button, and our output will come, or error will come. Errors code hinting is a great feature. Color highlighting is also new here. Now let's begin. Let me start our first program from the scratch. Go to new project and this button and click there. You'll come up with a dialog box that shows many things. Don't care about that. Go to Java and under projects go to Java applications. Next, type the project you want to have. For me, let's say doprog dot. I've set up. It gave me some cool features. It actually gave me a file with the same name as my folder name, project name, and it also created some syntax, basic layouts for me to make my work easier. Now I'm not going to follow that. I'm going to begin from the scratch. Okay, now let's change this part to first applying name. Let's refract to that. Now let's do that. Now first thing we have to do is include our package. So package is the name of our main project folder or folder. This is doprog dot is the name of our package. Let me say doprog dot, then hit enter. Then as Java is purely object-oriented programming language, we must use class that are used to create objects. So every Java program begins with a class. So let me create a class, public class, and remember this class name always have to be the file name. It have to be exactly the file name. No errors should be made on uppercase or lowercase with the file name. Exactly the file name before .java. Now in this case I have first.java as my file name, so I'll be creating first class. First, hit enter, curly braces, that is the code block. Now write this thing, public static void main string RGS. For now, don't keep this as a burden. I'll be talking to you individually with the key. What does these keywords mean? What does every word means? And what does every word can possibly do in the coming chapters? But now we just wanted to create a first program. Isn't that interesting, man? Yeah, you can create anything, but for this time and for our simplicity I'll be creating a program to just output hello body. Okay, don't mind. Let's do the print, and it's a little bit different from other programming language to print in Java. Let's do that. System dot dot out dot println and hello body. That's it. We have passed in a string to this set of command. That's we'll be talking about that in detail, but for now just this is your first program. Okay, I'll be talking to everything. Okay, now let's save that and hit run. Okay, now look in the hello output screen. You get a hello body as an output. That's exactly what we have passed between the quotes. Okay, for now you can possibly pass anything, your name. Let's suppose my name is BJ and I'll be passing that. I'll hit run and it prints out BJ. That's incredible. For the first time you created your first program and that displays your name. That is simply wonderful. I'll be talking about what each and every line of code and each and every syntax means in the later chapter. Follow me, practice it, keep these sets of code in mind. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more.